Yeah, wow. Maybe we can get out here.
Yep. Look at that. Look at how deep that is. Oh. You would never guess it looked like this on the other side of
Isn't that
it.
incredible? Hey, this would be a good place for a dam.
Yeah. Anna said yesterday.
What's that?
In the Cars movie.
Yeah.
I don't even think a camera can do it justice. Ever.
It's really amazing. Is this considered part of the Grand Canyon?
Ooh, look at the lake. We might stop there on the way. We'll just look at all the electrical stuff.
They make electricity in the dam. The water goes through it, spins big turbines, and it makes electricity. Yeah, should be over here. Unless I totally turned around.
I'm pretty sure that is it.
Oh, there it is. I didn't realize we came in up.
Guys, I think that's the dam.
Well, there's the bridge. Look at that sucker.
Holy cow. Look at the bridge.
Look at, you guys want to go walk across it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I would die. That's like 1,000,000 feet in the air.
Can we please?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Lizzie's in the stroller.
Lizzie's going
Maybe
on
Becky.
the backpack, and Becky's going on the stroller.
There you go. And Gina's got a death grip in 2 hands. Maybe Theo too. Holy cow.
Oh man, this is amazing. This is amazing.
I'll hold your hand, Jacob. I'll hold your hand. You guys, they built this basically by hand. Like people were...
They have big cables across and they
like
pull
harnessed.
them up and down. Yeah.
Guys in harnesses.
Is that the Great Wall of China?
Not in the 80s, Jacob. Long before. Look it, they have a statue right here of the guy, like showing the guys how they used to make it.
That's so sick.
Wowzers. Like you can't even see the bottom of it.
So I think if we want to walk across, we have to park the vehicle. We won't walk across the dam.
No, really. I think if we just drive across it, it would be sufficient. I'm kind of a little freaked out about that.
Like, imagine how deep the water is right there.
I mean, but really,
just the planning and the engineering.
well, like, even to have, like, the towers there, I mean, to see all that stuff would be just...
They built it in, like, record time, too. They built it really fast.
Well, they've got nets up there. I wonder what they're trying to catch.
It's not as bad as you would have thought.
Yeah, it's not.
I guess you got to get out more into the gorge.
Yeah. But look how far down that is. all the way over there.
Kind of pretty in here.
I don't know.
It gives us CPR. Oh no!
We're moving.
I see snow up there.
They're gonna look at you.
Take the exit, then turn right onto West Orangewood Avenue toward Angel Stadium.
Oh, Michelle,